I'm Big Belly.
And I'm Bumbles.
And together we're
Big Belly Bumbles.
See you later.
Big Belly Bumbles. So when you do get out on the road and you're driving, all of the content of you putting the truck back together is going to be over and done with. I guess you'll have to make content of where you're driving and all that.
I guess so.
Although you, in the past, I'll just go ahead and say, in the past, Stephen has made some beautiful videos of scenery. I mean, he had dash cams. Oh, it's about to get loud. I'll tell you in a minute. It's about to get loud.
This ain't a loud tool.
Oh, it's not?
No.
Oh, okay. Well, Stephen had dash cam footage of like beautiful scenery across the country of where he's traveled and all of that. And then he took the time to slice and dice it and edit it and put it all together in nice, beautiful, scenic videos. Well, that was pretty loud to me.
Play loud, me.
So he had these beautiful videos of scenery, of him traveling across the country, and they never would get any views. Never would.
Not very many.
Not very many at all. And he had taken the time to take his...
That's a lot of work.
It
takes all that time to... plus money. You got all those cameras going on your truck and memory cards and all that. And then... you got to take all that data, and then you have 4 cameras going at all times, plus the dash cam, plus your regular camera. So you got footage coming from everywhere, and then it takes a lot of time to splice that all together in time. 4 different cameras.
Mm-hmm.
I've spent like 10 hours just sitting there splicing stuff together, and you know that's on top of the data and everything, and it won't even get any views. And so it's like I did that a few times, and boy, I tell you what,
it's discouraging.
I don't feel like doing it anymore. You don't see any cameras all over that truck.
No. So yeah, he did have some beautiful footage, and tried his best to make some really nice videos of his traveling across the country.
Popping up like that.
But, so, it will be interesting when you do get on the road. We will have some different types of material for our channel.
What I got out of it is that people just aren't interested in road videos. People are not interested in... Because I had... Where if you go over the Mile High over in Colorado and go over to whatever that tunnel... and you go through all that beautiful scenery. I've had all that beautiful scenery going down into Utah. Just 4 cameras going at all times, just clip, taking 4 different angles all the way through the canyon, going down with music playing, you know, and letting you know where I was at and all that. What I gather is just people are not interested in anything like that. Or it would have got the views. So if people are not interested in stuff like that, then what would be the purpose of me spending so much time, money, and effort of building a video that nobody's interested in?
True.
I'll let that sit for a minute.
So then when you do drive and you're not going to invest that time and energy in uploading edited videos from the road, I wonder what kind of content we're going to have.
Well, just updates of what I used to do. Well, let me update you. Today I picked up this load, and it's going to deliver, and I'm going to go down and get another load, and so blah, blah, blah. That kind of thing. Thanks for watching the remix of an old video. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and later.